Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do you wash off body scrub? Although they are great tools, you don't want to press too hard on the skin and risk irritating it. After you've thoroughly scrubbed your body, rinse off the scrub and gently pat your body dry. Don't rub. Rubbing the skin after you've exfoliated can irritate it. How often should you use a sugar scrub? Repeat once or twice a week. Sugar scrubs shouldn't be part of your daily beauty routine. Over-exfoliating can irritate your skin, so aim to use a sugar scrub no more than 3 times per week at most. Don't use a sugar scrub on skin that's sunburned or highly sensitive. Do you moisturize after exfoliating? Your skin needs moisture, especially after you exfoliate. Using a super hydrating facial moisturizer after you exfoliate helps replenish any moisture loss from exfoliating. Apply sunscreen. It's one of the most proactive approaches you can take with your skin.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.